today we are in the Caribbean, just off the island of Antigua, and we're shooting a yacht called NORMA. She's a 45-meter Palmer Johnson, and I reckon it's going to be an amazing time.
Those guys know that I am more than willing to launch myself off the roof of this boat at any time.
Casualty. No.
Okay, Captain's willing to take the plunge from the sun deck. And while we have a chance, let me explain why we chose this anchorage behind us. It's nice and secluded. There's no other yachts really around anywhere. This makes filming with a drone and also just general filming around the yacht a lot easier because we have space to move. With a drone, especially if there's a lot of sailing yachts around, going into a mast or into a line is a high risk. And obviously we're not out here trying to damage other people's property. But yeah, basically the plan for the day is we're going to go on board now. We're going to start shooting the interiors with the crew, prep whatever they still need to prep on the outside. And then kind of just take it as it comes. Mid-afternoon is going to be toys, and that's when the fun really starts. Okay, we've just wrapped up filming the interiors. We've shot one of the toys, the flight board, already. We're moving on to the jet skis, which are extremely fast. So we thought it would be ideal to film it with the FPV drone, which is just as fast and will create some awesome action shots for us. Good morning. It is sunrise, day 2 of the NORMA shoot, and today is going to be a fun one. Today is basically the day where we wrap up all the areas that we couldn't cover yesterday and also have some more fun with the tender, which is right there. We're going to try and do some wakeboarding, maybe go along that coastline behind me. But right now we are waiting for the sun to peek over the clouds in the background and then get it up and shoot this yacht in beautiful morning light. So yeah, today is lining up to be a very fun day again, and we're all excited to see what we can capture today. So let's get it. that you're holding the camera.
I mean, you can vlog if you want, whatever you.
It still works.
Yeah. Does not make it easy just to go like.
In some ways, I guess.
Well then.
Let's see. I just don't know what to say. That's the main problem. Welcome to another shoot.
Hey fans.
What's up, guys?